everyone. Get here. So we got a new baby. Her name's Lucy. She's a calico. She's so pretty. Lucy. Lucy. I don't want to go look at the camera. She is so sweet. She's very stinky when she does poopies. Hey, we got her at where we got our dog food. It's a really good place. Right now they have 6 more cats. Kitten. She's a rescue. She's so tiny. Like, here's my hand. She's about the. She's just above the size of my. She's about the size of my hand. And she is so sweet. Her meows are adorable. Her eyes are so pretty. Her eyes are like gray or blue or green. We don't know that she's still young, so her eyes color is probably still changing. But she's less than 2 months old. And she's a rescue. We don't know her story, but she's adorable. Just want to let you guys know. Now she's sleepy. Hi. She's very curious about a lot of things. For now, she's going to stay in my room and have the kitty food, some water, teaching her how to use the litter box, a bed. And yes, that is a Doctor Who. Yeah. I'm really, really happy. She's so adorable. Oh, she's tired. Yeah. Oh my goodness. She had a bath because she had really sticky poop on my hand. At that. She's so adorable with your baby. She's still getting used to us. She's gonna be so pretty when she gets older. She's kind of like Parker, Brindle, but a calico cat, but not as much. She's mostly black and then brown, and then has a little bit of white on her chest, as you can see there. I want to get a laser pointer for her. Be so cute. She hears the budgies that are being covered over there. She doesn't go at them. Our youngest cat, Sylvester, he doesn't like her. Oh, by the way, our oldest cat, Simba, he ended up dying, and so we got a new one. We're not replacing in any way. He was going to be 18 years old. He's been around since I was 2.5. His name was Simba. But in no way we're replacing him. We're just adding a new member to our family. Oh, he hears the... What's that? She hears the budgies. It's quite funny. Yeah, so her name is Lila. She is so sweet. So, bye!